Hi viewers, this is Sri Ramulu. Today's most important topic is Born calculation of repulsive exponent. According to Born, the repulsive according to Born, the repulsive energy between two ions due to the short range forces is given by repulsive energy means that is in between same charges. That is either same ions or either positive ions or negative ions. So repulsive force will act, and because of that, repulsive energy also stored. Where B is here, the what repulsive energy formula is a u is a potential energy, repulsive potential energy. R indicates repulsion. B by r power n, where B is a repulsive coefficient, r is the distance between two ions, n is a repulsive exponent. This n we have to calculate now. This is our aim. Born obtained the value of repulsive exponent n from compressibility measurements of crystal. Compressibility means suppose it is a crystal. So from all the sides what happens, the force will act, and when the force acting, normal force acts, then what happened, its volume changing in their volume will occur. Okay, volume, so that is why k called compressibility constant. K is equals to 1 by v dv by dp. P is nothing but pressure or force. Why it is a dp? Force acting per unit area is simply force. Suppose it is unit area, if you apply the normal force, then that is simply for pressure. So change in volume by change in pressure into 1 minus 1 by v. According to first law of thermodynamics, dq is equals to du plus dw. So that means the amount of heat energy is given to the substance. It is uses as this energy can be utilized to increase the internal energy and to do work. So like this, a single energy can be converted into internal energy and as well as work done. Where dq is the quantity of heat given to a system, it is used to two parts. See, one part. A part is used in increasing the internal energy, and other part is used to perform external work done, dw. From above equation we can write it is as dq is equals to du plus dw, dq is equals to du plus pdv. Pdv how can we get? That is important here. Okay, from this dq is 0, but pdv how can we get? Work already we know. See, the work is equals to what? Force into displacement. Okay, for smaller work, force and displacement is small. Okay, force is what? Pressure is what? Pressure is equals to force by area. From this, force is equals to pressure into area. All right, so in the place of force we can substitute dw is equals to pa into ds. dw is equals to p is the pressure, area into distance is volume, but distance is small, so that is a smaller volume. That is why dw is equals to pdv will come. So that is a pdv. But here amount of heat energy is very less, so that is why taken as 0. And differentiating equation, above equation with respect to v twice, two times you have to differentiate. Which equation? Here, this internal energy equation we have to differentiate twice with respect to v. Then what we get? First time if you differentiate, du by dv is equals to minus p dv by dv. dv gets cancelled, only p will remains. Okay, so what we got? We got as du by dv is equals to minus p. So again differentiating d square u by dv is equals to minus dp by dv. Here 2 by r naught cube is remains, remaining all the quantities are taken outside, so but with minus 2 by r naught cube plus here also, so remaining factor here, this factor divided by this factor, three factors only remains. See, 1 2 3 factors. And now what we have to do, now see, separate, this is separated, r naught power n and r naught square, and it is also separated, r naught power n, r naught power minus 1 minus 1, so r naught power n, r naught power n gets cancelled, then it is r naught power 2, r naught power minus 1, so bring it denominator, so it is a minus 1, bring in denominator, yes, brought. What happens, minus will minus become plus, so 1 plus 2 is becomes 3, 1 plus 2 becomes 3. Okay, now r naught cube, now we can take common outside, 1 by r naught cube. Yes, here you don't have any r naught cube, but here r naught cube taken, so minus 2 plus n plus 1 is, so here plus 1 minus 2 becomes minus 1, so n minus 1. Yes, it is a value, substitute this value in the above equation, where in the formula, in this formula already this formula is given upside. Okay, v naught d square u by dr square r is equals to r naught into 10, this is factor, and in this place substitute this value. Yes, it is substituted, n minus 1. And now what our aim is, what our aim is to calculate n value only. Okay, and okay, see here n, in n into n square, for this n square cancel, right, this n square cancel. Next 2 ones are 2 18s are, yes. Next r naught cube, r naught power 4, 1 r, wait, so this r naught cube and this r naught cube cancel, so it is not, right, it is cancelled, this in square cancel, 2 ones are 2 18s are, and the remaining all are same, right, so a e square by 4 pi epsilon naught, 4 pi epsilon naught, r naught power 4 into 18, r naught power 4 into 18 n minus 1 factor. Okay, so keep this bracket this side and bring remaining thing this side. Yes, this bracket is taken this side and remaining all are come in denominator, comes in numerator here and here, and it is a numerator, in denominator already k naught is in down and 4 pi epsilon naught is upside. Yes, now keep n this side only, bring minus 1 this side, minus 1 become plus 1 is equals to n, so therefore n value is what, 1 plus 18 4 pi epsilon naught r naught power 4 by a e square k naught is the it is exponent, born exponent is n is equals to 1 plus 18 4 5 epsilon naught r naught power 4 by a e square k naught. Okay friends, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget watching this video till the end. Why? Because it is important one, you must watch it till the end. Thank you.